The summer breeze met peoples on the pond, and headed through the weeds, there are willow trees beyond. Daddy in his good hat and Mama in a Sunday dress. Once we cried as I stood there, and the water up to my chest. As I sang my toast into the crimson blood, as I sang my toast into that coolest Texas blood, and it was down with the old man, with new, raised to walk in ways of light and truth. I didn't see no angels, just a few sands on the shore, and I felt like a newborn baby with the love in the arms of the Lord. Amazing grace, oh how sweet the sound. There was glory in the air, it was there on the ground. My sins with the lady were washed away and gone. Along with the buffalo nigger, I forgot to live at home. But that seems like such a small, small price to pay for the blessed peace of mind that came to me that day. And it was down with the old man, with the new, word to walk in the ways of light and truth. I didn't see no angels, just a few saints on the shore, and I felt like a newborn baby with the love in the arms of the Lord. This road is long and dusty, sometimes the soul it must be cleansed, and I long to feel that water rushing over me again. I didn't see no angels, just a few sands on the shore, and I felt like a newborn baby with the love in the arms of the Lord.